Visit our website at www.876streetsgears.com.
It's nice. As we say, 20 valve is always a car where you can depend on.
Yeah.
Whereas when you have handling and you have people out here that can see, everybody want the race to go on.
Everybody hungry for some racing, man.
Some racing, I know.
For real.
Other than that, you just come and do the share down with the car to see how it behave.
Alright.
You see it go on good so far. So.
Mad thing. Marlon,
Yeah, man.
what on, bro?
Yeah, man, that's it.
Most people know you as Kenny Endless.
Kenny Endless, yeah.
Endless Auto.
Yeah, man, I'm with that.
Right? Straight out of Mobile. Right? Tell us a little bit about your business before we get into the interview.
Well, endless auto lighting. Pretty much we do anything in lighting, LED, as long as it's automotive.
Okay.
We also do body panels, special order. So basically as we go along, we do performance, street slicks, and eventually we're going into turbos and so forth. But for now, it's mostly basically lights and a whole. So
And
truck
accessories.
lights, cars, accessories,
Okay.
body panels. That's where we are now.
And where your base?
We're based in Montego Bay, Lot 11, Moffisanti Drive, Bogue Industrial Estate.
Okay.
That's next door to Water Commission office in Bogue.
Okay. And I visited your shop recently. I realized you have an inventory for like Toyota's touring bumpers and lights and
Yeah, man, we cater to a lot of the older cars, Toyotas like the 100, 110 and so forth. So touring bumpers, grill, headlights, all of that we have those.
Alright, so peeps, link up, right? The number is right here. Alright, Kenny Endless. Alright, Kenny.
Yeah.
This beautiful car, tell us about it, man. Year and make and model.
Alright, the car is a 1990 Toyota Levin.
Okay.
Powered by 20 valve black top, 6-speed transmission.
Okay.
Funny enough, running max speed suspension presently.
Okay.
I sell a lot of it, so we did a lot of tuning with it to see how it will perform, and trust me,
How the handling though?
it's great. Well, you see the car running. The car is running excellent.
Yeah,
we
definitely.
get it to work how we want it to work. Big up John Wheel Alignment, him do a lot of work on it in terms of some tuning, but
Okay.
it's perfect. We're running consistent times all day, consistent.
Yeah.
So,
And I was surprised when you just came in. I was asking how the temperature, and you said, "Boy, the car is
yeah, man, the temperature
cool."
is good. We're running a triple core radiator.
You sell those as well?
Yeah, well, I do those mostly for orders.
Okay.
Mostly I have the half Honda radiator, but this is a full radiator,
Right.
triple core, and I run in the spal fan. So temperature wise, we've done probably 10 laps back to back, and the temperature is still good.
Yeah, man. Very, very nice setup.
Yeah, man.
You mentioned that it's running a 20 valve engine.
Yeah.
But as I said to you, as I said to you off camera before,
Yeah.
that this is not a 20 valve. This is a Killa valve. If you're wondering why we're calling it the Killa valve, but in general though, is it your first time racing?
No, I used to race at Dover back in 2011, 2012.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you race then?
I had a Turbo Starlet,
Okay.
the 5E Turbo.
Okay.
That car got me some through. I was running, it was an IP45, I think it was turbocharged.
Okay.
Yeah.
Turbocharged
Got some
blast.
trophies for that, yeah, but that's a lot of years ago.
So that mean that you and Kirby, you know,
Right,
may
me and Kirby-
his soul rest in
right,
peace.
right, yeah, man, Kirby.
You know, big up Kirby,
Yeah,
you know.
Kirby were here at the same time.
Oh, okay. So I guess you guys were
Actually, I
rivals.
was the one that made Kirby come, because Kirby was into drag racing all the way, and I always tell him, come and do it, man.
And okay, so you're
Yeah,
the
man,
person
I was the
behind
one
that.
pulled him. Yeah, I was the one that pulled him to go, man.
All right, cool. So you're making a return with this car now.
Yeah.
So in terms of like upgrades, you plan to like go like turbocharge or
Turbocharge was the plan for the car eventually.
yeah.
Eventually, I wanted to turbocharge the car, because when I built the car, it was during COVID, and I was putting it together and start doing stuff. But after fiddling with the car, the engine and so forth, I started getting more speed out of the 20 valve, and it started going. And I said, you know something, let me just stick with it NA and see how it runs. And I'm very happy. I can tell you, I'm very, very, very happy.
Well, I tell you, nothing beats reliability.
Yep.
And you know, you drove from Montego Bay this morning,
Yep.
and you're driving back, car still intact after many laps.
And we did more than 25 laps today. I can tell you, we did more than 25 laps.
More than 25 laps.
25 laps.
Wow.
That's it.
Wow,
We had
wow.
to test and did some adjustment to the suspension and so forth, and did a few little things here and there. So we did a lot of, it really was a test and tune kind of situation.
Okay.
But it stood up.
Good.
And the car is still good to drive.
Good. So I guess we'll see you in the future, you know,
Yeah, man, definitely.
testing again,
Definitely.
you know, making
we'll
sure.
go back to the next track day, because track day, it is a must.
Yes.
It's fun, it's safe, you have the medical personnel here.
Yes.
And you basically can adjust things that you need to adjust, whether
right.
it's driving, whether it is suspension, whether it's engine and so forth. So it helps. So
Right.
I would encourage anybody, next track day, please
Be here.
Yeah, man, definitely.
All right, Kenny, safe travel home,
Yeah, man,
and
definitely.
thanks for making the time, you know, for talking to us.
Yeah, man, all the way.
Big up
All right,
with the
big up.
Killa valve.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.